Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical knife sharpener, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Knife Sharpener, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best knife sharpener from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. The original Tumbler rolling knife sharpener made easy tool for kitchen knives. The original Tumbler rolling knife sharpener is the perfect tool to keep your kitchen knives sharp and precise for longer. Designed with durability in mind, this sharpener features a high-quality combination of solid beechwood, stainless steel, and diamond-plated sharpening discs. With a grit comparable to a 500 Whetstone, the Tumbler sharpener effortlessly restores sharpness to your blades, ensuring that even expensive knives perform like new. The 15-degree and 20-degree angle options make it versatile, allowing you to sharpen both traditional and specialty blades. Equipped with a magnetic holder, this tool secures your knife in place for a stable and precise sharpening process. The stainless steel helix disc then removes any burrs left behind for a finer edge. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, this sharpener is a must-have for any serious chef or home cook. Keep your knives in top condition with the Tumbler rolling knife sharpener. Number 2. WorkSharp Professional Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Adjustable Knife Sharpening Kit. The WorkSharp Professional Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener is the ultimate tool for achieving professional-level precision in knife sharpening. Designed with metal construction for durability, this sharpener can accommodate various knives, even small penknives, with adjustable sharpening angles ranging from 15 to 30 degrees. The kit includes 7 abrasive grits, 220, 320, 400, 600, and 800 diamond, fine ceramic, and leather strop to provide a tailored sharpening experience for your tools. The digital angle indicator ensures you get the perfect angle every time for a clean and precise sharpen. Whether you're working on kitchen knives or outdoor tools, the versatility of this sharpener will meet your needs. Proudly designed, engineered, and calibrated in Ashland, Oregon, WorkSharp offers a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Keep your knives and tools performing like new with the WorkSharp Professional Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener. Number 3. Osyouk Knife Sharpener Tool. Afilador Knife Sharpeners with Magnetic Knife Sharpener. The Osyouk Knife Sharpener Tool, Afilador, is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their knives sharp with ease and precision. This professional-grade sharpener is equipped with industrial diamond sharpening discs, featuring a 400 disc for restoring sharpness and a 1000 disc for deburring. With magnetic angles of 15 and 20 degrees, this sharpener ensures a consistent grind, making it perfect for fine cutting tasks like sushi and sashimi or sturdy kitchen tasks. The magnetic holder keeps the knife steady, allowing for effortless sharpening. Just roll the sharpener back and forth for instant results. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the Osyouk knife sharpener is user-friendly and perfect for all skill levels. Packaged in a high-end gift box, it also makes a thoughtful gift for chefs, families, or outdoor enthusiasts. Keep your knives in top condition with this easy-to-use, high-quality sharpener. Number 4. HORL 2 Walnut Rolling Knife Sharpener. Kitchen knife sharpener for razor sharp. The HORL 2 Walnut Rolling Knife Sharpener is a high-performance tool designed to keep your kitchen knives razor sharp with precision and ease. Featuring a flexible sharpening system with interchangeable grinding discs, this sharpener offers both a 15-degree angle for a fine edge and a 20-degree angle for a robust blade. It combines durable diamond and ceramic discs to sharpen knives of all hardness levels, including European, stainless, and high-carbon steels, as well as outdoor knives. The 20-degree angle is perfect for tougher cutting tasks, while the 15-degree angle is ideal for delicate work like sushi, sashimi, and Damascus knives. The magnetic angle support ensures perfect consistency with every use, making it easy to achieve professional-level sharpening at home. Crafted from high-quality walnut, the HORL 2 offers both style and functionality, making it a must-have for serious chefs and home cooks alike. Keep your knives performing at their best with the HORL 2 Walnut Rolling Knife Sharpener. Number 5. Intellitopia Complete Knife Sharpening Stone Set Dual Grit Whetstone. The Intellitopia Complete Knife Sharpening Stone Set is a professional-grade sharpening kit designed to restore and enhance the sharpness of your blades with ease. This versatile set includes a dual-grit whetstone to tackle dull knives and provide a razor-sharp finish. The coarse flattening stone ensures your whetstone stays flat for optimal performance, while the leather strop, made from genuine cowhide, removes burrs and polishes the edge for a smooth, sharp result. The non-slip bamboo base and knife sharpening angle guide make the sharpening process safe and simple even for beginners. Whether you're sharpening kitchen knives, hunting knives, or even straight razors, this kit works on a wide variety of blades. It's a must-have for anyone looking to maintain their knives in top condition. With everything you need in one affordable set, Intellitopia ensures your knives stay sharp, efficient, and ready for any task. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.